can hear it. Oh, can I get the door open? It's freezing, but as you can see, the icicles are forming. Probably can't get a good picture of that, but yeah, there they are. So the trees are going to get it soon. Oh, look at that! Oh boy. Well, if it stopped sleeting and started snowing some more. Of course, I was completely unprepared for this. I'm walking around in my Crocs. Oh, you were afraid to come out earlier, weren't you? You had to wait for Mama Chloe to come out. Hey, Chloe, go to the bathroom. Chloe, come on. Ah, the snow is really white. Look at you, you filth bomb. I'm gonna take you to get bathed. There you go. You found a place to go. Come on, Casey. Come on, Casey. Jeez. Pooping and peeing.